If you've ever shot a video with your iPhone, you've probably been really surprised at how shaky the footage looks. And while electronic image stabilization has come a long way in newer iPhones, it still leaves a little bit to be desired. And that's why in this video, I'll be sharing 3 easy tips and tools that I personally use for smoothing out my iPhone footage and making it look very buttery. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with Matt's Media. The first way you're going to stabilize your iPhone is by using a selfie stick. I use this thing all the time. I actually did an entire video about it over here. Basically, you're just using the concept of equilibrium to keep your iPhone steady. What that means is that any little movement, the iPhone is brought back to its original position. Using this concept with a selfie stick is really going to help stabilize your iPhone footage right off the get-go. But if you don't like the idea of packing a stick around everywhere, I got you. Handheld. Stop filming like this, okay? How everybody films. I don't know why. They just like film their cool videos like this. Terrible for stability. Wrap your hands around the phone. Obviously don't cover the lens. Keep the iPhone close to your body. It's really important to use as much of your body to stabilize your iPhone as possible. Now the last thing we're going to talk about is stabilizing with software. So there's a couple different softwares you can use, like CapCut or Emulio. I've never used either of these apps. If you want videos on each of them, let me know in the comments. I personally use the Cinema P3 camera app. It's got a couple basic stabilization settings built into it that work pretty well. If you want to check out the video where I break that app down, check out the end card over there. And if I need more stabilization, I bring the footage into DaVinci Resolve, which is a free Hollywood-grade editing software, by the way. And the built-in image stabilizer that it has is very good. If you want more tips and tools about filming outdoor content on basically any camera, iPhone or otherwise, make sure to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate you. Get outside, get creating. Peace out.